No.
I don't know.
Let's watch VIP.
VIP? Let's do it.
Over to you, Libby and Kyla.
Welcome to VIP. Very interesting perspectives.
To start us off, we'll be reporting on how not using flushing toilets have affected our world.
This afternoon, Ainsley is at one of the millions of waste dumps. Over to you, Ainsley.
Thanks, Kyla. So I'm actually standing next to a waste dump. This one is one of the larger ones in this area. Some places are riddled with small piles. In this area, along with many others, there's no running water or toilets. People are having to poop in the streets, in large holes, or other places. Some countries can't afford to keep their streets clean, but others aren't that fortunate. The death rate is rising fast in many areas that don't have access to running water or toilets. People are dying because of sickness from the waste and lack of proper hygiene. If you want to help, find a local organization and donate. Back to you, Libby and Kyla.
Thank you, Ainsley, for that. We'll be right back after these messages.
This whole entire world has been dealing with the problem of no flushing toilets. People have had to dig holes or go in the street or anywhere else. The rivers are getting very polluted from all the human waste. People are getting extremely sick, and they get so sick they could even die. The waste is filling the streets. People are stepping on it. This is why we need flushing toilets. Some devastating ads.
Oh, Kyla, they really were. No flushing toilets are a very major issue in our world today. People are getting severely ill from the diseases in human waste.
Over 1 billion people go to the bathroom outside because of lack of flushing toilets.
PCI Global say that every 20 seconds a child dies from results of poor sanitation, namely open defecation, an ugly factor for an even uglier practice.
Let's face it, no flushing toilets is a really pressing issue right now.
I agree, Kyla. Well, I think that's all for today.
Watching, and come back tomorrow with some behind the scenes of VIP. Bye for now.
Bye, have a good day.
I wish we get some flushing toilets soon.
Me too. VIP is so important.
Let's watch it tomorrow.
I agree.